I'd be like, someday we're gonna buy a house, we're gonna film it like a TV show.
Remember in Fiddleheads?
Yeah.
I was like, wow, she kind of came out of this out of nowhere. Like, it's so random.
Yeah.
But you've been thinking about this for so long.
My parents got divorced, so then my dad got this apartment, and in this apartment there was just a weirdly large closet. And so I made it my office, and I had like a whiteboard, and I drew out like the entire plan of like what I wanted the business to be. Buying the house, like I have like the TV show on it, like everything.
You have the picture over there.
We have like future TV show for marketing, YouTube series, like all of it. Do my nails look cute?
Guys, can we have just 10 seconds of silence to just acknowledge this moment? Starts now.
I think that we should all
10 seconds is kind of long.
Okay, I'll count. Well, if you let me count.
For. No, let's just say something we're grateful for.
I'm grateful for you.
I'm grateful for you.
So we just like grabbed my...
I am Sophia. I own a business called By Sophia Lee, which is all about home decor, cleaning, and organizing. I love design. It's all I think about. Every room I step into, I think about it. So buying a house to remodel was always part of the plan. We found a 1920s English tutor, and it is perfect.
Here we go.
Here we go, guys.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
Like, what time is it? Oh, we're not that early.
This is either the best thing that we are ever gonna do.
Stop saying that!
I know, sorry, I can't help it.
She's like, this is either gonna be the best thing ever or we're gonna go bankrupt. Or something like that.
Yeah, literally, it's that.
Yeah.
Brian! This is Brian. He is the vice president of banking.
Business banking.
I remember when I first came to you and I was like, this is what I want to do. You acted like you didn't think it was insane, which is very nice. Yeah, because most people do.
I'm coming.
Jeez.
Here's the fanciest PWS.
Yay. Ooh, it's gold.
Can you believe you're buying a house?
No, I'm scared. I'm trying not to be scared, but I'm scared.
So how long have you two been married?
Right, there she is.
Is your wrist hurt yet?
Not yet.
This one is by Studio Lee. It's you as 100% art.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you haven't signed anything yet.
Really? Okay, I feel like I am.
So this is the actual note.
Okay.
Because
So this is me buying the house.
This is you. Yes.
Oh. Yay. Is that it? Oh my gosh. Okay, did you get it?
I grew up in Cedarburg, Wisconsin, which is the cutest town ever. It's like the quintessential Hallmark town. And it's also the home of my design firm, BSL Studios. Sarah and I met in 5th grade, and we've been best friends ever since.
Me and Sophie grew up down the street from each other. We spent all of our summers together hanging out.
She has always been just like that cool girl who doesn't even need to try to be cool. She just is cool. It's so annoying.
She will think of an idea and go after it so hard.
We really just balance each other out, and I think that's why we've worked so well together.
Senior year of college, she started her blog. I was originally hired to create printables, and so I slowly became more involved in like the email and writing blog posts.
We would go to Fiddleheads, buy a $3 drink, like barely spend any money, and then spend the entire day working. Like, we completely abused the system. They probably hated us, but it was our home.
We found the office. We did the planners, bought the house. Like, so much happened in that year. Now we're here.
Oh, who's this vibrator?
Shelby's friggin' dog sitting. Shelby, go get your dog. She's farting.
No, she's literally not. She's not. Guys, literally Shelby.
It's okay, you can fart.
Oh my, shut up, Sophie.
Shelby thinks she was a princess in another life.
Party pooper, that's you.
No, you're the party pooper. I can't believe that you'd bring bring out my insecurities.
If you talk about anything vulgar, farting, anything, she gets so red and uncomfortable, and it's so funny.
It's like forcing somebody who hates ladybugs to put a ladybug on their
I used to be just like you, actually.
Shelby is my sister. She is fully herself.
Shelby, sing us a song.
Can't.
Nope.
Can't do it right now.
Shelby, yes,
It's
you
not
can.
something I have like on command.
She's one of those people where you either love her or you hate her because she just comes in with such a big personality.
Yo, she's gonna walk and just be so dramatic.
Yep.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's a wrap.
But I don't have a mic to take off. I can't do the dramatic mic. I can't do this anymore.
Okay, yeah, we launched planners. I've been doing this for 24/7, so. Did we talk to you about the survey?
Apparently they're like really strict, so we have to get a survey of the property and then
But you can't
Architect.
even get a surveyor in for 8 weeks, which is insanity. Oh my gosh. So anyway, so that's what we're waiting for.
I've got nothing to say.
Well, you can give them an update that you have now been given the task of mowing the lawn every Saturday.
Oh yeah.
Where?
He's
At
our
the
lawnmower.
house.
Oh, nice.
Ben's the lawn boy.
Forced lawn boy, and he sucks at the job, but he's free, so we'll take him.
Saturday, that's my job.
He's our landscaper.
Yeah.
Ben and I have been dating since we were 15 years old. I feel like we've done our entire lives together. As cheesy as it sounds, he's like truly my better half. He's a million times nicer than I am. And yes, he is out there every Saturday, okay, almost every Saturday, mowing the lawn at the house.
We are in beautiful Whitefish Bay, Wisconsin. We're about 10 minutes north of Milwaukee, and this house is in the perfect location.
We're close to the lake. We're in the cutest neighborhood. We're like 2 blocks from downtown Whitefish Bay. You can't beat it.
We are so excited to show you the house. So right off the entryway is the living room. And just like the exterior of the house, this just has so much character, from like the 6-inch molding on the beams, yes, the plaster walls. Everything in here hasn't been touched in years and years, and to find a house like that, I mean, it was literally like a museum. These wood floors are unbelievable, and these run through basically the entire
first floor.
We're gonna try to keep as much of this wood floor as possible. It needs a pick-me-up.
Yeah. The plaster look is pretty, but this plaster is very intense and it's breaking in a lot of areas. It's dirty, so it's
So the
going.
plan is to re-wrap the beams, do time group. Haven't had the budget meeting yet. So
We'll see on that one.
we'll see on that one.
Another area of the living room that we're giving a little bit of a makeover is the fireplace. It has a lot of weird quirks to it
It's a
that,
Spanish vibe to it.
yeah, which is kind of,
It's weird because
it's
this
weird
house,
for the rest of the house,
Yeah.
it doesn't fit.
so we're actually getting rid of this radiator and then taking this wall out. So then this is gonna be opened up because this wall is fully getting removed.
The previous owners added a 3 seasons room on the other side, so there's a kind of structure behind there. But we're opening it up and making it a legitimate part of the house. Obviously the 3 seasons room will be gone. This is gonna end up being the kitchen.
Right now, this is about 9 feet wide. We are trying to expand it out as far as the city will let us. For a hot second there, we were trying to get the kitchen and the dinette area in this small space, and it's just literally like not possible.
It'd be so small.
Well, the island is actually gonna be this way. And then over here, the sink is going to be anchored by 3 large windows. It's gonna be a focal point, so then when you do enter in from the house and that staircase is open, you're gonna see straight into here, and it's going to be beautiful. Right now, we are standing in the future main bedroom, and currently, this is the dining room.
The current main bedroom is just not sufficient.
So we're going to wall this off, and then I'm actually standing in the future closet. There are so many beautiful architectural details in here. These corner shelving units, and then this ceiling is coved, which you just don't see that. You're gonna
I almost just inhaled a fly.
So this is the current kitchen, and we're going to wall this off right here, and this is going to be an attached bathroom to the main bedroom. This is probably one of the first things to get nixed, which I'm sad about in the budget meeting. We'll find out. On the glass shower, I wanted to do that unlacquered brass, like edging detail.
You think that's the first thing that's gonna get nixed?
Yes, because it's so like,
Is that so expensive?
I don't know, but it's probably custom and it's just so unnecessary. But really all the design details we're doing is
Yeah, it was like you're doing like a custom vanity, a custom.
That is essential. This is the future mudroom, and it's just like so meant to be because this door does go directly to the garage, and so it really, really flows just super nicely for like the future family that's gonna live here. They're gonna be parking their cars in their garage, and then there's gonna be floor to ceiling lockers. Even in the winter, I mean, we're in Wisconsin, so it's like winter jackets, the snow gear, it can all be placed in here. This kitchen in general doesn't have any heat to it, which is hilarious to talk about right now because it is currently middle of summer. We're like little poodles with our hair. But in the main bedroom, the main bathroom, the kitchen, we're actually gonna do radiant heating. So there will be heat through the floor, which you can't ask for more in Wisconsin.
Especially in the bathroom, that's so nice because you're always like barefoot and like.
I know, I think I would lay in it. I would lay in it in winter.
Get out of the shower and just lay there.
Yeah. I have really actually never seen anything like this before. Have you? Dude, like they're about to fall off.
We're back at the entrance. So this is where you walk in and you see this little bathroom. We're not doing too much to this. New mirror, we're gonna do some cool wallpaper.
These doors, I think, are just like the most beautiful thing in this house. I just had an accent on the word most, but these doors are freaking expensive.
Yeah, so, I mean, as much as we can salvage, the better.
We're taking them.
Yeah. Just for reference, right here, this is the wall that's gonna be completely open, and we're gonna have that iron railing, so that you'll be able to see the rest of the first
living
floor
room,
here.
kitchen. This bedroom is literally as small as you can get and still be considered a bedroom. But because of that, we are naming this as the nursery, and we're actually naming every single upstairs bedroom as a different like age group. So this is the future baby's room. Ironically, we're taking down this paneling. We're gonna be replacing it with different paneling that looks a lot better. I think that we're just applying drywall to the ceiling. The ceiling is actually wallpaper, white wallpaper. So I don't know why they did that, but new light in here. We're trying to make it cute. This is the current main bedroom. It's tiny for a main bedroom, but for a
Teenage girls room.
a teenage girls room, it's perfect. We wanna make it feminine, girly, taking down the wallpaper, bed over there, probably just cleaning it up. There's 2 closets in here, which is
Amazing.
Awesome. This is the twin boys' bedroom. If I could find vintage beds in here, I think it'd be so cute. And then have it anchored with like a nightstand, get rid of this wallpaper. We are actually doing more wallpaper in here though.
Yeah.
Because this is like so damaged. I mean, look at that.
That's so crazy.
This is where the kitchen and dining area addition is going. So right now you can see the 3 seasons room. We're gonna have beautiful windows going on the entire thing. And this is gonna be all painted black. So we're trying to just keep it looking like it's part of the house. Yeah.
It's supposed to be there. This whole section, I just think that it looks so classic.
I can't wait to see how different the house looks with new windows because they're so freaking old right now.
They're old, they're dirty, they're falling apart.
We have a birch tree on Birch Street.
Love that.
This brick has a very unique feature to it. The mortar is oozing out.
Oozing out, yeah.
All the gutters will be black. That stucco up there, which is that classic Tudor style, that's all gonna be painted black.
And that's the part that's gonna tie in to the addition.
Right. I just love the front of this house with like the fireplace, those special windows. This door is beautiful, so we're restoring it. I wanna say it's the original door. This door goes into the current kitchen, but it's going to go into the future mudroom. And this pathway is gonna follow this half wall straight into the garage. I love that the garage follows the same look as the house.
What's your actual budget? $250. No way!
What I put together for you today.
Time has arrived for our budget meeting with Kate.
Kate completely gets our vision.
A 2-story addition.
We're adding another bedroom on top.
Like, let's say this house doesn't sell.
I don't think it's gonna go over like 50 grand.
Seasons are approaching and we want to get those windows swapped out before it gets too cold.
We really just don't know what's coming.